Yay, it's finally time to start on the shop.
Yeah, buddy.
Man, that's gonna rain for. Look at that gray all the way. At least got our dust washed off our.
Holy shit balls.
Yeah.
It's coming down. We're not in Kansas anymore.
Watch your motorcycle.
We just had some rains for the last couple days, but we got the pad all pretty leveled out. So tomorrow morning, they're supposed to come here between 7 and 9 a.m., which is early for this guy, and start putting the shop up. So it's pretty close to the cabin and should be really cool. I can finally get some of my stuff out of the cabin and store it in there so that I can get to work on the cabin. It's been a long time since I've really got to do anything on it, so we'll see how that goes.
One, two, three, four.
So these guys showed up 9 a.m. They had already completed an entire project, came to me second, and just got with it.
4, 5, 6. There's 10 trusses on that
We'd considered building our own project, but every time I designed something and started doing a material list and bidding it out, I mean, it was just better to do it this way, have them come in and just put it up as quickly as they got it done. And as economical as they did it, I couldn't even compare to that. So we just said, hey, let's just have them put it up. We need to get the stuff out of the cabin now so that we can start working on it. You know, putting like the lawnmower and the side-by-side and just all of our stuff that's out there now inside this shop so that we can protect it from the rain and the environment.
They should make.
I was so impressed how quickly these guys worked. I mean, they didn't take a break or anything, not even to get a drink of water. They still had another larger building to complete after this one. So just how quickly it went up was really awesome. We wasted no time putting the solar panels up on the top. There's always something that needs to be burned around here. And the wind's taking the branches down, and it's kind of fun. We like the bonfire action. So finally we got a local outfit to come out and get these trees out from behind and around the cabin. You know, I've been so scared that they're gonna fall over on it, especially after the last video you saw, you know, with all the trees that had come down. That was something that was stressing me out big time for a while. So these guys came in here and spent 2 days pulling these trees, and they gave us the option to keep everything if we wanted to cut it up for firewood. But we just had better things to do and didn't have the time to do it. So we said, no, just take it all away. That worked out good for the owner of this company because he sold the walnut to the mayor of a town nearby, so that worked out better for him too in the long run, and we got all the scraps taken care of and didn't have to deal with it.
And all those killer vines wrapped around that And then I bought another box of those French bread pizza deals. They got like $4 at Dollar General, and I can cut them in half and fit them in that Ninja. Yeah, run that crank for. Look at her laying down. See? It ain't her first rodeo.
Steph's got the place set up with all kinds of freaky stuff. That's kind of her style. Melanie and the kids are coming out. The youngest, her two kids coming out tonight. We're gonna do a pumpkin carving deal tonight out here. I just got done mowing. I got some of the trees. It's hard to tell, but I actually got some of these looming trees that were hanging over the cabin. I had to have them come out here and take them down. And that was a lot of fun. But anyway, we're just chilling at the cabin this weekend. I got most of the yard done, but cut. I still got to do over there by Ken's. I don't know if you can see or not, but I got this side cut anyway. It's a beautiful fall day today out here. Just chilling at the cabin, waiting for the kids to come, and Elliot too. So